Welcome back to Mindzhutini, episode 10, and we have the legend, the myth, the man himself, Rastride. We are fortunate enough to examine this guy while he's still around, while he's still doing what he do best. Yes, so my guy, how are you doing today?
I mean, I can't complain about it.
It's a good one.
Yes. I put the Fulani na Rasi, I'm sure good they have a stronger relationship with Fulani. I'm the student, the Mina won't check at the Mina guest, the this podcast now.
Yeah.
So
okay, again, tell us something. The first person that I knew, it was Spaz.
Nico.
Yeah.
So that guy used to follow him around. Talk to Shabo at the post. I would like him.
No, it was 95.
Yeah, he called me when you're going to get small.
94, 95.
Yeah, so I think when you're looking at Sungula, maybe Sungula Lavanga social media, then that's how we find out.
Yeah. With social.
Yeah.
Hey, nice 3-1 each of Sango. It's my day one.
Yeah.
So that guy is but it's all good, all bad, hustling, growing up. So yeah, it was 92. No, I'm lying. It was 91. 91. Yeah, I think I understood that one. Then we just hooked up. He was my friend. Yeah. We work together. We got Dr. Martin. Dr. Martin.
That ninja titles.
Yes. The only one what woman will live with my toes. Very
Over 93, 94, 95.
Yeah, it was before then. I think it was 92.
Yeah, because one of the iconic things we used to look up about, like, I can say like it was the beginning of xiKhohlola. Because I put away graffiti, somewhere we apply Marala.
Yeah.
We don't recall it when I was running about it. Yeah, rap you.
Sure.
Yeah.
Always. I tell you, man, I tell you, Chris. What it could see. Chris, hey, legend, Lian, the same agenda of Alabla, it's on that rap. Say, I won't let Fanny Alabla. The king of Tsonga rap, but then again, of people for everybody in Wamampel or Tsiki. Yeah, it's too silent, that guy. But yeah, Nanga Sungula will combat this whole thing on this Sanja. Yeah, I'll comment at prophet of the city. Yeah, from Cape Town, I mean, Abong sent the book, and I mean, he used to show us. Nebo. Me, never the hand
yeah.
On this, then now I over there was this Chabanyana, or this Shingapuka said, yo, I was still young. I entered it in time.
Oh, okay, around
14, somewhere there. But I was a big brother to us. Then we used to go there. He was taking us out of the streets. Yeah. This thing, he's from the streets, and something. He's the pioneer of that around here.
We see all right.
Yes. He could not use forum. So we grew up hip hop. He made us understand that hip hop is the only music which was existing by then. But then again, the genre started.
Yeah.
Then I decided and we went to varsity. TNG, yes.
I got 90 months by then.
It was, I went 98, 99. Yeah. New guy in 98.
Okay, so which means it's about maybe 6 years from the introduction.
Yes. Okay. Because I got the 10 and then my 18, 19 when I university. So loko hi fika leni hi fika hi hlangana na majita u kuma ku ma blind majita hi swi vona ku ma blind mara hi vona potential leyi hi nga na yona hina ku ri we have the roots of hip hop so hi va na that thing ya ku yini tirhelani kaya leswi va vhenda va nge xuma lahayana then I was fortunate enough to be with a computer yeah nga ku hala kaya nga ze duma ngopfu the computer na Pentium 1
Pentium 1 I got written by then 2001 or 2000
it was the year 2000
or the year 2000
yeah it was the year 2000
cause natsunduka watsunga loko reach that concert amadlakas hamba that writer music lo bala sound yo at certain point in time then I got 2001 2003
it was 2003 2004 I think I can't recall very well but it was early 2000
ikhale mada
so swiswani hip hop
wawona nkarhi wa vumjava loko ku nghena swa vumjavi ya moyisa lo ahamba koka directly from there
yes and bring it home mabo so maybe let me break it down mikota go itwisisa gore how did we come about gore fika to a stage where we decided to say we need to have a label but then again we started by a studio on this so I was with Sosha the guy was good the guy is good and he has it askota kutsala then I decided, you know what? Let me gather around the what with the name is this one? Bo Cakewalk. Fruity Loops 1.
Oh sure.
The Fruity Loops 1. That Fruity Loops 2. The Fruity Loops 3.
Music softwares,
Music softwares, of course. So now, in that regard, I like to support whatever kuta umelela I fika for manyana a group. Varsity ibona potential ibona na yini vibe leyi ri kona hala ya Pitori hala wana aka hatlela swinene a hi vulavuleni ntiyiso in terms of music wa hip hop se leni a ku ri na ti-gig ku ri na ti-SixFour ku ri na ti-yini so we ended up we were mingling with those guys. But Chameleon, you know Chameleons.
So Chameleon, you know him from that side?
We knew Chameleon about 20 years back. Come on, man. I'm telling you. But Chameleon, and it was a big shot by then. I'm telling you.
But I'm telling
He knew us. Phela akumelela kuma ku ri vanhu vo tala lava nga ngheni attention yena a nghena Chameleon a nghena Pretoria University by then a kuma ku loko ku ri na rap session a ku ta vanhu va le lokixini njani va fika va hlangana ku a TNG u kuma ku hina hi va endla ku yini hi va accommodate njani for the SixFour from morning kuma ku the SixFour ta hela maybe past 11 12 navusiku njani but like to say, no, now we are not good with the freestyle because it was more of freestyling then. Now we decided to say, hey, let's
stick to writing.
We perfect our skill.
Because one song that I remember, no? It's I'll do anything for your love.
For your love, yes.
Yeah, for your love.
Yes. That thing, one of the tracks that you could artists are really crisscross, beat crisscross.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it was big.
When you were hustling the beats?
By then I understood I can produce. Once again, Pella I was more of a producer than a rap. If you can
I know.
On rapping, I didn't feel myself.
Sure.
You understand? To a level we need to be superior when we do things. If I need to reach
criticize too much.
Yeah, not to criticize you understand? To a level I felt I can be good beat making. Then we came back, we finally and Backyard Recordz. But before Backyard Recordz, we left Black Warriors. Black Warriors, it was me and Sosha. Once again, Talib Kweli and Money. Most deaf. It was more of that. We used to even take pictures like that. But
I'm at 4.
We were 2.
About 2. What's about 2?
We were 2.
And then, do you remember the first recording?
Yeah, the first recording, I can't record. We did so many things. But now, prior to the first recording, because we didn't start by recording our own, what do you call it?
I think in Young.
then there was the Black Warriors there.
wa swi ta ku njhani
Nyongwa yi sungula.
loko hi testa mike a tsundzuki ri 3
Hi va susa nyongwa. Hi va susa. No, a ku ri na Lam Phoenix by then. A ku ri na earthquake yi humelele 2005 earthquake.
Oh,
I remember
yeah,
when I was
yeah,
working
yeah.
in town by then on Tsonga. So I like to say yini ngisani ya mina Jabo Frozen Tears. Bobo yena was at the floor.
Yeah.
So he loved the game also. Then amingla na the rappers tale polokwa. Then he was more look abuya hela to say you know what they can beat up the whole thing. One is and then Kulani was there. Kulani. Kakale is from the dawn of Black Warriors.
Hey, look, test Mike, I remember.
He was there. And I remember to look first no, that's born. Kan go muna yimbelele.
Mina la tativa ku ri kahle kahle Khulani loko a nghena la. A huma ku kahle kahle. Was it there recruited as an artist kumbexani was a homeboy?
No, he was a homeboy. Actually, you won't understand about Khulani na mina I can't recall exactly. Because Mrs. Kuyina tukumar na hina but he was
at a certain age. I think maybe it was 1998 or maybe 97 or 98 right between them.
Yeah.
I ran a group, Minana Rich.
Oh.
So I could write my own, but
the just reach.
So I could write like a little bit.
Yeah.
So both them and Abatolobelu Sosh. Like Parina Rich.
Yeah.
So went to Sosh for why it's aligned the raps.
Yeah.
So we can add the chorus. Brian McKenzie. I record that Brian.
Oh yeah, I remember Brian. I know Brian.
I record that Brian.
Yeah.
Well, 98 I record na Rich. Maraga cassette. It transfer like that bit like that you guys
We
saw.
used to do that also. I remember because I'm to local social. Africa ayimbelela similar doggy style. Ashkolwe. It was 92.
92.
94. Because 94 I reckon standard 7. 94. Then Nigo Akometi raps tamani that's no dog.
Sure.
Marahanga sutu go ori. Or sister Jack. Casus Leso Aguru get there. On this yard. Say, but teacher Bangwana, students who want Stakil Bango. Teacher Ramloom. Miss Pennell.
Oh, yeah.
Miss Pennell, I told him, was Lucia. Yana, I let us live. No, but I will get a little. What's the jet? Hey, like say, I let them redeem. I will happy. Snoop.
Oh, sure.
In high school.
That's why the
I'm figure high school.
Standard 7. Hey, look how Snoop on this side. Hey, but then again, I read Snoop from Leshwana name. Varian RG Pose. You will have to do my saying. Yeah, that name of Snoop. Nico Snoop. So by that, I do something. You know what? Fast forward, going to Black Warriors.
Yeah.
If we incorporate them.
Oh, so sorry. Come back time. Sir, Bona Pinga listen. Gava is in that. The technology. Yakoma me export music from computer to cassette. You're not ami kumaku.
No, I could remember Kala the cassette. I could not regular that double cassette.
Yeah.
You want to record.
Oh,
you want your play.
You want your play.
Okay.
Say cassette. I got to record that. And I want to radio about techniques. Once again, there's this other friend of mine, may soul rest in peace. Tian Cos.
Yeah.
On this again, Tian Cos. I could not techniques.
Do that man.
Yes. So that guy Angalolo, you could wala radio yakabona.
Like Graham.
Yeah. What is again?
Sure.
Atala. You understand? To record.
Oh.
Say techniques I got a little so good. Mukaringwan kurna beat. If you guys record that
on top of that.
So that man before Kusumala back at record. I may already exchange music na that man.
Naman.
Natian.
Yes, we were buddies. We were buddies.
Because logo daman abuya ne. Abuya artist like a collection, yeah, R&B especially.
We were buddies. Even before I up. Tian. John the Leman. On Tsonga. It was a big shot by them. Tian also to serve Tian cost.
Big man.
Yeah. So events total I can't just incorporate them and put it here at once. But Makai Kulukumba decided to end up Black Warriors. Even Kubana Lam Phoenix by then. It was not calling him Lam Phoenix. I called Lambda on Sunshine.
Also, like, was he recruited?
He came to me. The studio by then, where I was sleeping. He came to me, I think he was 15.
Yeah.
One reason, I figured that man, I rap, Una that style, Eminem Yana, on this Changa, it was good. Sure. From the get go, look, this boy is gonna be dope.
Yeah.
Till date, you know, he's dope. Lam Phoenix is dope.
I inspired a lot of guys. When I recall, Lam Phoenix, like your first encounter.
Lam Phoenix, like everybody, I knew them from Karluava performer, like Ma performer. Ma performer.
Around 2007, 8.
You know, 2008.
Because I get back then, was one of the Magata technology. Talk to when I say, Commission Vana resemble like Afoni, Commission Kukuma Dato download, it was almost impossible. So, while I am a Conan Kotokomakur, Kona these guys in Kanusubana Kone life, you know. So I don't remember exact Mara. That's where I started to know these guys in Kotakutsako. Leraima.
2008.
Yeah, 2008. Yeah, we did a lot of shows. 2008.
You know what we did? Listen,
Yeah.
As backyard records. It was not that thing you tried is owning a studio. You get what I mean? It was our studio, regardless for who bought the equipment. That's Ubuntu. That brought us way. You understand?
Power.
Yeah, that thing if you feel for your head, Malinga no Shaba cold drink. You bring it to the studio. You drink with the others. You understand? The cleaning part, like full of studio phone, I cleaning. I remember even my late mother, may her soul rest in peace also. She's the one who was an anchor. To make it a point, she even volunteered to clean that place. Do you remember? To make it a point, I'll make this place. You understand? Well, what day and night, he never had a problem with that.
This other times, we got carried away, never got red. I'm seeing you. I record that regularly. Oh, Zamuya. Na Sosha was there. It's a Latin bag in the studio. Got carried away. I think it was for the first time as well.
That because you know what we did. We agreed if I time I rules. It's good concept to take you away from the street. Afghanistan and stuff. So in a way assembled in one place. Then it was good. But then again, I was one of our stores. I was that. What is what's happening. So that's why we developed a rule to say each and every person of an assessee were prior to be incorporated to Backyard Records. Let's say let's settle well to the Lava Sungula hip hop. Because Atafana Afiga a rapper. And I remember Abanyikamina Powers, these guys were in it. I must assess a person.
The producer,
to say you are in or not. So mina problem unnecessary feelings. If your shit is weak, your shit is weak. If your shit need to be rewritten, should be rewritten. That's how it works. so u kuma ku ri hela van'wani va nga vi comfortable around loko ni ri kona nkarhi yin'wana loko va endla risimu a ni navela ku tshama studio ni vona va kha va endla risimu mara u kuma ku munhu se u ba ti-takes ta 10 so with my presence so a wu ta kuma ku landi ku munhu huma njhani huma njhani hi le ku recordeni because other people lava ta fana va endla yini va endla like that where's another cigarette I want some cigarette
futhi yaleyo it was very important
a new cigarette
no
ende kulani xa wona xitori xi heleli xikarhi because mina na tatiwa ku mi hlangane njhani na Ras
na Ras so mina kahle my friend ne a ku ri Frost this is cause njhani a hi hlangana ngopfu hi TV game
sure
what this is
kalengonyeri game
yeah and prior to music I used to come here look at cassette look at ngati kwani famba na mali but that TV game they had a huge collection these guys and so
plus notice akava huma lexi
kwale madal before they even went that side Emona they had a collection wabona like a video game madal cause it's like the thing is introduce elika technology cause kama dzalo kute like very
I remember that one
so I think sweswo singa sparka interest ka music swa ti computer ti game ka vanhu vo tala especially like the guys from my 80s which is rare so loko languta ma 80s mo ma ka communities tin'wana so mina ko tala vo demand ma ku ri na interest ka swilo swi endla so I will follow them around even don't know them so cause na like loko ni vona social na reach ka concert ya kona hi ngambalana tinta
where was this
holweni a swa khale madala swa khale
holo yi kona
ile mall la swi dyondzeriwa kona grade 10 vo buda makama na umanyikosi amari na group ya kwaito by then bomana swa rini swa 90 something swa khale swilo local vibe
local vibe ku recordiwa ka ku performiwa na lo nja khale
ai ya imlenge na
Steven nguthu ka Steven maluleke
ngwenya ya
yes
na ka
kwaito
this launch in factory
ila mall
so
no la ku ri factory na akora kona lava ku
factory no
akuri wa wona score opposite
na complex akuri na lodge
yes
na lodge ya ko perform ka ku DJ Makhaki what's on
Makhaki boy
by then so yeah what we did bafethu really decide that you know what let's incorporate local cats baba kona around so to beef up whatever wise yini singaendla sweswo because it was not easy to record the Pitori you were gonna sit a studio the whole day on sajani munhu akubyela ku na nge swi koti ku record sajani just like that
so Vigilant are recorder by then
Vigilant munhu la nyikela software yes Vigilant was big by then was big by then
Vigilant ishisa lexi nga endla ko ka moya leswaku ko ka moya ya hi endli damani ya station recorder dai deng dia and then
na ko Vigilant are na advantage because kutwa yena ba ri UK ba ri America so it was even his style of wearing you could see
fired by
American because
guys Muslim
for him to get
Muslim that man
so na nyiketa ti instruments tin'wana na sample mina ntsongo loko tiva sample Vigilant ku ri ka sample wa sample wa so so khata sample a endla a yi loopa onse jani a kota ku vekela swa yena so he inspired me actually I'll be honest
like as I travel producer
yes and I felt kuri producing is complicated than being a rapper so advantageous coming because
you are a technical person
you understand and I had all those equipment and hustling it was It's in my DNA. Because remember, no, perform all those sounds are like sounds.
Yeah.
It was backyard sounds.
Alo
Own thing.
wa style xo bohelela like speaker
Rewiring in from back
afaka
then.
pepper rintshwa dama
Yes.
sound la we tla performa yona la it was made by this guy.
Pepara Omo.
Were you working by then?
No. I was not working by then. I started working 2005 at the Robin. On this, yeah, I was on Baraki for months.
2004.
2004.
Yeah.
For months, higher in
Bootleg. Yeah.
Oh, hey, no.
Ya fle. Ya by style le ya. Yeah. And I'm not sure na kangwe. Shuffle.
So, but what I can say, Yuri, it gave so many people opportunity. Yeah, we made so many people. I won't take the credit for that. However, I feel like collectively so.
Because
we made an impact.
2005.
You really did.
2005. I went to Univer. And they already have a record about the man. So Kumagor Logon Biala Kaya will take any track they bang a record and then play it that side. The only time that side, guess who came to my place? Well, Pepperweight. You know Pepperweight?
Yeah, the name sounds
familiar.
Where's Pepperweight?
Aspana Pitori 2016.
I remember.
The town planner. The town plan.
Yo, nice. I remember we used to intimidate those cats or what? Black warriors.
Yeah.
Out of we are there. You understand?
Plus even the name was warrior.
The styles itself, like a group
yeah.
I got style so hamba.
Yeah.
It's all together. On Sanjan. Out of Kumakori, was his Changani. It was good. The English was good. Actually, I would say Mundla Aringul Kumba in terms of knowledge and on rapping, ka group. Was Sanjan. Yeah, social. He was.
Mara in general, is it because he started younger than you or he was more active? But he was more active.
Yeah, actually, Mina, around. I was not part of RGPOS.
Yeah.
I was a fan of RGPOS. Yeah. And Yiku was a part of RGPOS. Then wherever they go, and remember one of the things is like Nigo. And Labagja recording RGPOS, which I never got to hear. And I put them our record daily woman 93, 94. Yes. 92 cassette. 92 I remember Chris he came after recording it, he came with it. Tempest. I got my Tempest like that.
Oh, Chris, I got in Tanga.
Yes, in Tanga.
Oh, okay.
Same age group. So, I was active in youth.
Totally Sunday school, yeah.
Exactly. So with Christmas Carol, he was forming part of the Nebo Island stuff. So, I couldn't detach myself from RGPOS because my day one friend was a part of RGPOS.
You don't want to compete.
Yeah, now James Kosa. You know James.
I was part of RGPOS.
Part of RGPOS. There were 4. There were 5 actually. It was Chris, Zakanzip, Nico, Malulek, Snoop, James, and Daniel. Nico Mie.
Oh.
Butwa what me?
Chechem.
Yes. Then Nabotimia was there. I'm not sure whether she was part of it because on pictures she was always there. It was more of a black boom shaka.
Yeah.
Tsonga boom shaka. Yes. So it was no, it's fine. This empire around here. And recruit. Recruit Msijo uti namani na Lam Phoenix. Kuti Lam Phoenix akota kula Msijo. Ninge Lam Msijo. Then I like the guy. It was easy for him to be recruited because it was that time and line were beefing up.
Yeah.
Most cats lavanga sungula it was easy for them to enter.
Yeah.
So come with this RG Pose it was a rap group.
Yeah.
So is it safe to say that RG Pose was the first rap group to Leala Ilim?
Yes.
Tsonga rap group.
Tsonga rap group, yes.
Sure.
Yes.
All right, cool. I just wanted to put it there.
To be honest with you, let me put it in this way.
Yeah.
I don't know any rap group than RG Pose.
Yeah.
Before RG Pose.
And this was around
92.
It was 92, 90, 89, 90.
89.
Because I Sunday school, ne?
Yeah.
I used to see the cassette about Professor of the City.
Yeah, because Daman I told you now born about Professor of the City. Yeah. About exchange on the magazine on this the hip hop magazine.
Oh, like Munwa Professor of the City, Langa the manager, Ilanste, the owner Getora. Munlaga sign up mesh sarila.
Sure.
Come man, we saw no professor latanga with the scratch discs. What DJ? Ready D.
Yeah.
He was so ready.
La Chris
Mount, yeah. They used to.
What they were Ready D?
No. Ready D from Cape Town.
Report another one come with TV or Samaga DJ man. Maybe when I equally in with DJ Switch.
I think even
what DJ Switch was doing, he saw it from Ready D.
Sure.
Well, I would like grouping one with Black Noise.
Yeah, Black Noise. Yeah, Black Noise.
No,
Black Noise.
Because Black Noise of the city, Ismail. Yeah, on Tsonga. So he was close with those guys. On Tsonga. That guy could. I can get trained. Sangana wanna Joe back and stuff, but he now was young by then. And
I understand.
Yeah.
Hello.
So basically that was that. Then he wanna love hip hop. Shangana so the ups and downs on this. Yeah, recording. It's just that it's just that we were unfortunate for the
which is stereotype.
Because our associator hip hop nothing bang. Where we ended up saying we don't give a fuck anymore on Sanjan.
Yeah, kambe intergalia.
Yes. Because whether you don't smoke, they will say but wambang. You get what I mean? They are barbaric. But for Yina, because we're still young, it was good for Kubanati, the groupies. We're still teens.
Yeah.
And so say, Roma 20 you'd love Kuba. Non-stop.
Sure.
We tried so hard, but we ended up this other conflict of interest. Because akufika la abatswari babangwane abafika bakota kuvula no bana ba hina banga endle swa so bangwane abota kunene batswari kanjani abota kunene bafika batana yena n'wana. I remember fana na Dala Fem. Dala Fem was young. I think he was 13 when his parents brought him to me to groom him. His mother, in fact, I think it was my past 6 na majambo lokubata. Then we made a group. Yabo Dala Fem. What group English? VIIS. VIIS.
I think I call them Dala Fem. Because what happened? It felt like it's demonic.
Yeah, I remember.
Infection. So and then infection from a group na virus.
Oh yeah.
Ice cold.
I don't remember their first group before. They had a group before.
Infection.
Infection bongane?
Yes.
So by this time one was it falling under Black Warriors ninja?
They were juniors.
I could be junior.
The Backyard Recordz. Black Warriors was a standalone group. But falling under the umbrella of
Backyard Records.
Records.
Oh, kahle, all of these things still under Backyard Records.
Correct.
Yeah, but what sparked Backyard Records in Black
Black
Warriors.
Warriors.
Oh.
The formation of Black
Black
Warriors. I have a lovely about loko se mba mo Tsonga, like tata ngopfu Xitsonga inside your raps, nkarhi wa vugiya. The inspiration behind that.
Maybe I should start.
It was something similar to gear. Unless swilo swi zama ku wata swi endla ku hi mani very man kambe man the boy issue kambe swi fana na man producer yena
with Nebo.
yeah leswi endla ku hi Whitney boy na the boy issue ma ku swi na vancomanyana ndeni
Yeah.
You know, maybe I should start from here for the record,
yeah
so that people can know. Ne? The word Black Warriors is coming from Black Star. Black Star. Talib Kweli.
oh a rap group so the rap group
It was Talib Kweli and Mos Def.
Yeah.
They were calling themselves Black Star. Then Black Warriors. Me and Sosh. Fast forward to what you wanted to
yeah loko se ku ri na Lam Phoenix na Jam R4
yeah say R4 remember actually we wanted him to be incorporated to Black Warriors.
it was later on.
Hey, I remember.
Mina by that time, look, I think look former Black Warriors and Garcona. It was 2005.
Yeah.
2005.
Yeah, because I love the R&B singer.
Yeah.
He's good on that. The voice was
crazy guy.
Crazy. Nabo dollar bill.
Yeah.
Nabo dollar bill. And Mashango.
Yeah. Now we're talking about classics.
Classics.
Yeah.
So there, I feel like I was being abused a lot. You know why? Because I was more of a producer and a rapper at the same time.
Yeah.
If you can check Black Warriors, most of the tracks I'm not rapping. I produced the whole album.
Yeah.
I made all the beats.
So
I was behind the desk.
yeah.
Not that the others didn't want to do that. I fika kuriba skota ku sterisa na those things. But kufiki la sama jedu ngafika these youngsters ndizwa njani bo Storm. Storm. They came to the studio. They dropped something. I mean, personally, I didn't feel it. You get what I mean?
Yeah.
Then Sosha felt that. It was like it's a different style, Chief.
Yeah.
This boy is dropping a different style.
Zoom?
Before Zoom, it was what is that track? It's on Black Warriors. Like 8.
Collusion.
We on the mission to cause collusion.
Yeah.
What? What?
So there we were trying to make something Wu-Tang Clan style. Whereby there's no hook, it's only rhymes. Nabo Masungulu. You know Masungulu?
Yeah, Masungulu.
Yeah, Masungulu.
Kaba atwita naman?
Demolition.
Yeah, Demolition.
Demolition. Yeah. So Tala is history, but at the end of the day, we ended up realizing we are pioneers, self-acclaimed.
Yeah.
That's what we need. We didn't wait for any person to tell us.
Yeah.
Because in 2010, campaign la Zuma. We rapped shoulders. Nabo trompees.
I was 2006.
No, it was 2009.
2006, 2007. What's not why? Because me and Valentine in my universe.
Ne? Me.
Mythical late. I remember.
2009.
It was campaigning for 2009.
Yeah, it was 2006, 2007, something like that.
Yeah.
Because
any campaign I used to put was go take the rape charges after that, or it's after the rape charges.
I don't remember.
No, it's after the rape charges. It's after the rape charges.
So what I'm trying to emphasize and put it on record is that we shared stage. Nabo, I remember ingeni after Tebe. Tebe ungeni before yena. Eba curtain racers.
Yeah.
They were curtain racers for local. Marcelo about gig ya Songola on a list.
Yeah.
Akungeni Tebe.
Yeah.
After Tebe kungena yena. Mantsonjani. Mara kuri laba n'wana aba endlile. Yeah, stage fright xi va xi ri xikulu chief.
Also, like la tatisa kore, was it like a normal thing? That was your first big show.
No, to us it was normal because I invaded the Venda, at the Robeni, so I have confidence that's on Tovila.
I recall Makado FM by then.
I had some good Makado FM. Because remember, I performed Uncle opening your Makado FM.
Yeah.
Do you remember?
Oh, I guess it's Sungula.
And they are form part.
Yeah, I guess it's Sungula.
You're in the Makado FM.
Yeah.
I was on the team, being a formulator Makado FM. Myself, yes.
Yeah, that's what I was close down about Drago.
Yes. Drago was the pioneer.
Yeah.
So I wanted to tell you, look at performally.
Yeah.
Look how performally one. I remember in a social who went. I enter in chief. Why am I the curtain raiser? On Drizzer. I don't want to be a fiend.
So, like it's all.
But by stage fright.
I'm for I die.
Oh, sure.
On Drizzer.
Lam Felix na job, but
yeah. On Drizzer said, Moon, loyal Africa. I would have been a social palace. Get a longer one. Fellow to a line up and after in Tebe.
Plus, I still got
to high Peter by red, so that's a chica.
Why in the farm?
I'm not a folk. I told you, chief. Again. Emuna, into the bag here, ne? Yeah, little crowd here. This one, let's keep my chief. Yeah. Look, a chica liar. Let's produce a trumpet, what man is a producer trumpet man.
Speaking.
Man, the speaker. I did that. I've got Emuna. The artist still a win.
Yeah.
You got a local. How's the music low one?
Yeah.
You got a word like him. I'll make a label. You go, over in a studio. I say, one a label. They exchange the DJs. Because that you know, people will but they got in a matter over for never say, so differently. You must be used to that as an artist. It was over excited to a level of the exchange number. Shut on the pictures. You know, I got the stem sounds. You want to Sylvania. The camera thing as a tobacco.
Yeah.
So like kuba kakushuta man says wana convention when and later tell when I advanced to those phones by this time
no I had that phone.
Oh sure.
I had that phone. Remember Mina and one ago those who know me they will tell you I've been a hustler from day one.
Yeah.
You get what I mean? I've been hustling from day one. Actually the things that I know best is hustling.
Yeah.
I won't lie to you.
Yeah.
Till date.
Yeah.
Though I'm waking, I'm such a hustler. Yeah. So I believe with the things you can get it if you can get something at 10,000, I can get the same thing at 1.5. That's me. Sure. Those who know me, they will tell you.
Yeah.
I can attest.
You understand? So in that regard, the last time I get in that school, you get a freedom to the label itself. It's only register.
2008.
He registered. Fully registered. Nisungula ku tira in 2010 at the mine. Say the album ya Black Warrior.
It was already it was
then we were
4 years.
Say I re kontisanjani. And the song we were on that level ya ku mkaring one. A studio. Now I can attest. If you got studio, if you go in keyboard and play something. We lace a track same time and get mastered.
When you say no confidence, say it was a
2009, 2010, it was an artist.
Yeah, it was a Black Warrior.
Yes, it was an artist. And a standalone.
Oh, sure.
Standalone artist.
Yeah.
So we allowed the group to standalone artists.
Oh, sure.
Amongst, but they fall under. It was no longer about Black Warrior.
Yeah.
It was more about backyard records.
Yeah.
Because if we hear one track yokunandi ayawena, ayitala bako yini, ayitaba ka Black BF Record Volume 1.
Yeah.
Because
because and Tunukago, like I think the first project, it's Limpopo Uprising.
yeah. Limpopo's Uprising.
Compilation,
Yes, it was Limpopo's Uprising. You remind me of things.
Ade what is Twana Pelenga Rebal when ku record Warusungula I was there. So everything whether she record we maybe not 3 months in the studio, I would like to cover everything and that thing say. And then to summarize Tamela and then we are not the comments.
Sure. Rama Vendalene, yeah.
Lavanga respect we respect Makepeni.
Yeah.
He respected Black Warriors.
Yeah.
He knew about BF Records.
Yeah.
Back then, I remember.
Yeah, he knew. Even I how you mean? So sort of a manager. That guy.
Look in the solid ways. Kunang in the solid ways entertainment SWE.
Yeah.
Ivana bona bodamane ya amesile. So then unpusha like a house.
We still good with those things. Nebo, show them rapper. They used to come to BF Records.
Yeah.
PC came to BF Records.
Rita D.
We spent about a week in Backyard Record recording an album. Yeah, King Rap.
Yeah,
Mizo.
German,
Nicodemic, even Nico Teko Talango. Before they came, even Nicodemic, he loved the studio. He was always coming alone. Was this? So it's one of those things that made us have confidence. To say people who are on the ground. And who are inspiring. Banganati fan. By recognize. When they make a show, they could call us. That we have this happening. So you were them.
Yeah, I was there. If I jet, if
I jet. If you guys shoot a picture, what you got them? What that day? What you did? If you remember very well, I think you still have that.
You Makamaka,
Camera. Back then,
you still have it.
I think I still have it on my things.
You must bring it up.
If they still have it, you can one show my one. You look couldn't I come after this Mara.
So yeah, it basically that was that. Then the only part that I felt that it was the downfall of Backyard Records. We discussed that as the founding founder
organization.
We discussed that to say kusungula kuba conflict of interest. Conflict of interest in this fashion. We are growing up, starting to have babies. Responsibilities. You understand? You can't be where you want to be in the time where you should be. Continue to have a consensus with the person that you are sharing your life with. So Janukumawana doesn't understand what you guys are doing. That thing you understand? But one is another Stephen.
There was just a lot of talk, There was just a lot of talk,
What about that? To a level, so what? Hello, but I just attack school. Hey, one-on-one.
But it's already stereotyped.
Plus, no back then and nothing. Makata social media thing alandele rongo so the talk of the street.
I remember you mix it with chin. We went to the studio same time. Envious, you remember that? Same time recording.
Just don't know.
Hey.
I niggas be hating now. Making money with dangerous.
We're not the best.
I niggas be hating now. Itayifaka
Yes.
as a clip. I have it in,
Yes,
on
yes,
my
yes,
PlayStation.
yes.
So we were that advanced to a level where we had freedom of recording and making a track you over same time clean
Yeah,
with proper equipment.
yeah.
I believe Guru for vanhu va ringana na hina ne the studio lexi hi ri na xona
Yeah,
it was par excellent.
yeah,
Njani, it was top notch for level ya vanhu lava
Yeah.
va hina njani a hi
So-
nga ku tirheni hinkwenu mara we maintained it, we had good equipment.
Because phela engarivali phela by 2008 we humesa music va mixed music live Siege DJ xiKhohlola na DJ Mindzhutini. Yeah. Emona that thing ne
album buda
you call what about that thing it
You
got
gonna wait.
international like recognition but in
you kona kwi like ani sweswi a ho hlamula ntsena rasi like yeah you kona kwi
I could upload some few tracks ka Reverb Nation just
Okay.
2 tracks.
Oh,
Yeah, just 2 tracks.
Reverb Nation.
Tinga sharp.
no
Yeah, Jamel.
always Jamel
Jamel is gone. She's married now.
she's married, yeah.
She recently had the kid. She found by Subaru. She found by Subaru, but yeah, automatic.
But never seen
In Tsonga National, I
Yeah.
think once.
it. So yeah, all in all, basically that was that. But now we highlight to Saburini, local kai kula saying the way young upcoming artists that were coming to the studio.
Yeah.
I felt irrelevant. I'll be transparent with you because na genre na yona I sungula kuba yini.
Change.
Yeah, I sungula ku jigi change
Yeah, wataku last week wala no. Ngaba nyika comment ya about the state of hip hop currently. Kasi ay la ile ngwenyala. Anya isikizanyana it's organic the way. Yeah. Ngwenye yena ya movie nyana site nyana. Ito fa ka tibulela na ngwena wa bona mara mfoko wa kule njani
maka serious
yeah umakule madala
se kahle wena sweswi ni byeli laha ka timhaka ta ku va na kulani na DJ xiKhohlola hinkwaswo swi ri under backyard kumbexana a ri tlhelo luya
it was all under backyard.
So since
Because Ngaribal, I'm one of the founding members of backyard.
yeah
Like when it was registered, it was like Agurmina, Msijo, Lam Phoenix, Laz, na Makepeni.
sure
The 5 of us, and then Storm additionally so, but Storm aren't Tsonga. Yeah, Storm aren't Tsonga. So yeah.
So like I understand ku ri vo damani wena ku le kha va landzelela kha va landzelela hip hop
Yeah.
wena se house a wu yi kuma kwihi like ku kahleni ka boss because na tsundzuka na loko se vulavula vo DJ xiKhohlola na leta to vo Jamela se a ku buwa house
House ne.
Hey.
Look, she's mina house and this is until DJ Rich.
yeah
Yeah. And very cool.
sure
So Rich Agurmundu are interested in what was going on at launch from DJ Makepeni.
sure
So mara vela house kubena nkarhi lowu nga pfuna hi wona loko yakabo a ku na kun'wana ka use loko vo Christos va humesa for the first time
yeah
vo Oskido a ya tingisela kona le even na la ka Mzansi la chacha wa the house. So and then it was also my cousin. I can call him my big brother Pujja. Like Daman Ashaba like the mixed up capsule.
sure
So look maguri dai denglia maybe you mixed and gayo. So my interest kanjani ku sidile itlanga seamlessly from track 1 to track last kanga yini. That's what got me really interested. So my aim was to create like a seamless album being a taba mixana from first track to the last one. This is that's how touch for now. That's one right now. So
so around this time ala da tiva ku ri a ku ri nkarhi luwani bile ku ri ya se ya phusha like hip hop kumbexana it was around that time la mbula yona ku ri no man
aba focus somewhere. I can say aba focus somewhere.
a hi sungule kahle bile ku ri ya si sungule ku va yi nga vi stable kahle hi loko se I would say not really mina hayi loko nyiko a famba
a nkonkona
ya tirhela nkonko then kuma ku ri jabu na rona obvious na loko karhi loyi a ri le loko yi ri kuma ntirho kuma ku ri na le ka album liyani if you could get the fuck off my face na tin'wani ku na rin'wani la ma vula ku ri even if you're not there frozen we still representing la kuma ka nga kumeki kahle wabo so kuma ku ri se manjeni na hina se we don't focus more on Black Warriors we're starting to focus on solo albums so that's why I'm thinking that I'll make his album Nandavizita umesa album I've worked hard on those albums most of my 70% of the beats they're my production wabo
because to look at 2007 akutlanga track en'we Stay With Me
Stay With Me
ka mngana
I recognize Stay with me to the sea. We enter he physically.
Bunzu lo one
So we ended up realizing as much as we are engaged as a group, let's just allow solo albums to be produced. But what I like the most is logo Storm na
Nuro.
No. Before Nuro. Even at that time Nuro. Na what man, the producer, Levaterfan. Wiz, the wizard.
But Wiz came after.
No, I was in 2013. 2013.
Because was on record, ne? What look out? I nominated to the first hip hop awards of South Africa. King of Limpopo. With the album. I put DJ Wiz. That was nice. First one. Alumni. Hip hop alumni. Recognize.
Nominated. So those guys, I wanted to touch base on the most important events that transformed Black Warriors. Not Black Warriors per se, but backyard Recordz. So the solo artists later on about backyard Recordz at the Then we ended up saying we must make an album. Be on this. The likes of Zita, Manda Zita, the likes of artist total. That album just as an that album.
King Melisses, Easy T, Nana Brian, King Rap,
King Rap.
Rastabs, there was a lot of people, Static Fusion.
So that album, to be honest with you, it says a lot about our creation. It says a lot about our legacy. We were united. We tried so hard to incorporate, to fuse South African an album playing forever. Tin'wana loko ni kha ni tlanga ni kha ni famba hi movha so u twa munhu a ni kombela repeat risimu leriwani Love in Reverse loko a ni famba
what demand a va ri ku yingiseleni
of course
I didn't know. I don't even know how they got the music.
So that track nje loko kha ni suka a Messi
alidana ditanga leta ya umai dona kumbe ngena dona please continue
ni chari similar yani kahle mina ame analyst kahle ka music so I don't like I hate to analyze things relation ngana interest ka so because obvious I'll be biased so ungenisa album kuchathi album tavan'wana ta hip hop ni ku nghenisa kahle ka hip hop even ni nghenisa liyani ni miya ni nga ku byeli ku yi huma kwihi wanisa njhani u ta twa munhu andeni ka movha ni kombela repeat track leyiwani ondizwa and ni yo n'wi lift
sa tablet and video yin'wana leyi timile okay no problem let's continue
you see so now hila kuma a pure feedback ondizwa njani because the moment u fika n'wi byela ku ri no tribe ya mina leyiwani ni kombela u ni byela ku ri yini I won't be that unless hi ri vambirhi ondizwa njani hi kona ni nga ta fika ni va very very straightforward with you to say this is right or this is so a ni kota ku kuma ti-feedback ta tinsimu letiwani loko ni kha ni lift munhu mandisi leti tlanga so a nge ni wa vona ku ri i type ya njhani ya munhu mara la veni reverse a rhandza vavasati ngopfu waswisi va yi rhandza too much so that album ni twa nga ku ni nga yi teka ni va proud ni fane ku this is our production
this is what we achieve
because it's yi hlanganisa ti-artist letiya hinkwato a swi fani loko ni teka ya Kulani a ni tivi effort ya Kulani ku yi ve tanihi kwihi I can't take credit for his effort as much as it might be recorded at Backyard Records but in terms of taking credit ni ta va ni kha ni ti hembela you understand yes of course wa swi tiva na yena ka tinsimu ta wa ta fika ni ku no lawani i susa nini
i ku ri loko xilo xi ndzi rhandza hi Makepeni ne
sure so and the worst part ku ri tin'wana tinsimu a ni ti vula before vanhu va ti rhandza ku byela ku this track is going to be a hit
na Olid ra yena a ri so
na Olid a yendla so
tsunuka na even na SixFour
na SixFour da yiri so
loko hi ba I need some loving and this the ku ri yewe va kwalano ya
mbazo reply
very confident that's why kuma ku ri it's one of the first few tracks tinga hoshiwa online
masisa i swilinyana swin'wana swa ku avukoni loko u ri na wa vona minkarhi yin'wana loko endla music ku nga ri na vanhu lava ku khoma ku xikatla na wena wa debya wa swi twisisa njhani u ku endla swa kahle loko va ku byela zela to level va nga ku byeli ku wena swa wena swi kahle what are you gonna do u decide ku asombe ni tshamela ni vona TV ni vona ball we didn't have time to go around on this ay ku kuma ku ri Friday lolu papara ndo ku studio ko room ya mina next to studio ndzi njani lolu ku papa jika bolo tshama
angazi swi nga buyi ku announce kahle it was like their second home
muna lo byela ku 24 hours
a studio
24
hours risha jam
Chameleon the guy talked va hlangana with more than 20 years ago loko se atala empo va thambu ma 3 months a studio that 3 months a studio unfortunately
this time on this
segment ya Spotify ta itsema
no problem
and then they already stopped record
but continue ka YouTube so Spotify listeners you can also continue with this podcast on YouTube
okay
so itale Mindzhutini episode 10 with kanjalo
lewadi na kun'wana loko kuma ku ri ku na the late Msijo may his soul rest in peace also loko xi a ba tinsimu a va ba mani ya voho ya yena ni twa social loko xi nghena laha na le ka verse ya koxa vula bona you want to finish this track without me dropping a verse it will never happen
social i ku ri loko track yi hisa
xi la ku jumpa
Tinggal pala lang. Like cancer.
Never.
like Nzilo. Because it's like the tune. Nitali 98. It was like one of my first tracks. It didn't get So then come up with the beat and the sample swakale.
Yeah, Robin S. Robin S.
So I went to like my first lyrics.
Need some loving Robin S. Sampling yabo.
So kona xivutiso xin'wana lani yi lo hetelela yi mi kanganyisa xiKhohlola. Leyi a yi vutisa hi timhaka to, what do you think of hip hop today? Like ya locally then fika leni since mi kha mi vona ku ri swi vo melodic na leni and everything mara kusuka local kusuka le
ya local loko ku local vula
like kwala around
around Limpopo I feel kuri how would I put it kuri swa right I feel kuri first thing first akuna unity secondly they're too confident una confidence leyo kwa can work with another person yavunharhu even though kuna swin'wana va swi vitana criticizing mara constructively so constructive criticism with the experience leyi a va ku na yona artist leyo a kota ku hlangana na munhu loyi a nga fika a kha yitwa album ku ri le ka 1 2 and 3 a nga ku byeli a ku tshikisa sweswo ku ri ku na competition but i competition ya ku yini na n'wi tlula i competition ya ku already na n'wi tlula mara you're competing with the person na lowun'wana yena ku na n'wi tlula I can't compete with him so a ku na unity so hela hi nga ha swi twisisa ku ri music wu ya kwihi wa around one can get at the student and make a track and take a track and start to chumta yena aka na effort ya ku yini let's take it to the people people are forgetting ku yini na vulavula laha people are forgetting ku music we are building up a credential on sejati ya ku at the end of the day bata hela va ku yini munhu wa so I tiva track so
point of reference
point of reference so without that I don't think I will be wrong if I say for hip hop around here it's non-existent. But if you say hip hop, you're talking about
the culture.
Culture itself is no longer there. Mara bom rapper, they are there.
They are scattered.
But they are not. Kuna saifa ka bungeni. Kuhlangana na artists mitivana. Kuna saifa kwi. You know we used to do that. That's where you get to know artists. In the absence of that, you are a bedroom artist. You are making good music, but what are you so in instance, you are not an artist. So swimming outside the borderline, you're local. You're South Africa. You're not yours. South African hip hop artist at the peak hair. Come, my opinion. Most artists they are not hip hop artists anymore. You can't tell me who Caspaniel is a hip hop artist. You'll be lying to yourself. Artist to me come artist to me come Kalestanana. Where Aries, Vendalisha, he still has the culture. Mirmalish show in Lavar Mandish, Nastisi, he still raps. But for Tala and Tsonga, guys. So I'm confused about am I listening to hip hop track or I'm listening to my piano? I feel like I want to dance but I want to listen to your lyrics. You're confusing
What's the Maglera boy? What do you think about Maglera
boy? Maglera boy, I feel like he's a fast rising MC, and I feel like he like the peak of his creativity.
When that's
I think it's more like really upcoming, like rap.
Never right. Manjaji ngopfu na la ku biwa amala ku ndlala nje.
Oh, my man, sure that
The word hip hop.
yeah.
Oh, I somebody define what is hip hop.
Yeah.
Hip hop. Hip hop. Hip hop. You must swing.
Boom bap.
Yeah. The word hip hop comes from that. The hip hopping. Hip hop. How are you hip hopping?
That's to say.
Kale. The artist, our come the big jeans that in at the Komila, I swing away the track on the we want to swing. It allows us to hear the rhythm and get the same chance we in. You can what you are saying. I energize the monster me and I wouldn't say it. An artist, why for no verse local but what I found. We you can celebrate away and look at the That's why you must know, are you in Mapiano or are you in hip hop?
Sure.
Don't confuse us. One visa.
Yeah.
I'm Manjaji.
So with that, with the artists, they're no longer about gender.
Making money. Sure.
Where am I gonna get money? If it's trendy, they wanna go there.
Yeah.
Let's not teach a Caspaniove. One is so is it hip hop head?
Nah.
My point exactly, but to other people in so and they're not wrong.
Yeah, then I take any lean from the international. And then I regard South Africa, say take international.
Hip hop is dead. International.
Yeah.
Now King's Disease.
No.
King's Disease 3.
No, hip hop is dead. What then
Nice.
What then No, hip hop is dead.
Yeah.
I'm checking the demographic setup. Yeah, America and now broadness
Yeah.
The artists let it end up with hip hop. They are few.
Yeah.
They think like a mainstream.
Sure.
King Disease 1 and 2. Actually 2. Yeah, answer 1 and doing like then King Disease 3.
Yeah.
They're produced by the same
Hit boy, yeah.
Then the hit boy.
Yeah.
So 3. Nas was back. I don't know. So let's not talk about Nas. Let's talk about the music holistically. It's true hip hop against mumble rap. Once again, you're confusing us. We don't know what to do now.
I know.
Are you rapping or are you
choking?
Crash.
Hey.
Let's end up so. That's not rapping. Karaba in the similes. Karaba the metaphors. Rap culture, Yoshe. Ayar gone. Storyline has gone. You can't tell me about your clothes, man. Tell me about Gucci. End up calling yourself Gucci man. One reason why you're confusing us. You know the MOP. You know the original gun clappers. You know the Wu-Tang Clan. You know the what telling about original. What telling
I don't know. But I'm not clear on Makepeni. South Africa, who do you think is the ultimate? Name your best 3.
To me.
Number 1.
Number 1 for me.
Okay. Yeah.
Number 2. The way we talk about the she Tsonga. Ngwana sentshwanyana so.
Ishasweswe.
Mara so she repai tla isha kani. La tshela ko la phone ni. Ka botsa no tsamba so. She blind. Then yaka phela ti rebel le tonta hamba. Yele
not 25K.
China kutingana kun'wana. Kuna rap level Duncan. Wabona? Na Zulu boy. Wabona? Se layani ba comic culture ya hip hop lavaya.
Yeah, South Africa original
culture ya hip hop.
Original.
Lamayani rap. Wasisa yani you hip hop you know rap. Wasisa yani. Watu atingwa ba merele still.
Yeah, merele Allah kuzela yo.
Still studio merele. Ba comic culture ya hip hop.
Budaman ne loko batala. Wabona MPC?
Yeah,
they came with an MPC. But they could make beats with that money they did. By a van that I perform my day with that money.
Go perform also come on DJ.
Yeah, the only place to record was here, man.
On this again.
The third one before a rival, the third one.
The third one, Prime Minister, you.
Hey.
No, but to be honest with you, no, I don't want to. I'll be biased if I can say that.
Yeah.
We'll say it off the record between me and you for what is happening about your rap. How I Mr. Wisona me on talk of record. What 3? Ningaba vitana kuri group. Belabele kwa Zulu Natal.
Yeah.
Answer until Mshaiman Lawa
Zakwe.
To go over to Fana Labaya.
Yeah.
But a back fan, they're too violent. No Babala of violent. Some in one to the Balaka that Onyx tip.
This is xiKhohlola 60.
Yes. Balaka tip level Onyx, if you know Onyx. On the Jan, we'll shut them down. Balaka tip Lia, Mara, Zoo.
Yeah.
Babon, Sebona, like about watching. It's 3, 1 and 1 talk 1 in the last of the
and this is yeah.
Babo.
Alright, this is
mina another buy kahle because antwa ku ri a hi fanekele se hi tlulela ta politiki.
All right, let's go there.
Antwa ku se hi fanekele I think a hip hop se kumbexana loko mara sendleka kuma ku ri u na ku tlhandlekela nyana because a ni yena mu hip hop between the two of us.
Yeah. So conclusion right now, unlike like Ras Tribe, I like right now, like today, Ras Tribe, logo, you need them for your services. Angaba kakota koen and how can we get that? Like
Saitra music.
Music. And say latare papa music.
Okay, about music, guys, I'm still doing it. Most artists, local, they might not tell you. Before they release their tracks, they send it to me. And say that. And say, Tribe. Be honest, what do you think? And I'll be honest.
Sure.
But when I'll listen and be honest, I analyze, I'm analytic. I'll tell you for this thing is crap or this thing can cut. In that level. However, we're still anticipating the return of BF Recordz. We're still, it's in the pipeline. We're going to be dropping a double CD. Double CD, Lengata Huma. Remember, it's a name double CD, but we talk about 28 tracks. 30 tracks. Lengata Huma very soon. We have a platform where we deliberate as mostly the artists.
Illuminated is the
name of the group.
And Empo, have you seen the new feature WhatsApp?
Kulani rita Tsonga podcast.
You can like now make 30-something people before
No, it's fine, we're gonna do that. However, I just wanna give something people might want to hear. Because there are so many people that I came across. And it's close to my heart.
Was talking about the music that we're doing. It's what I call contemporary music. Because it's the same thing that this boy is doing.
So maybe just inclusion, don't need a vessel the late mother.
Okay.
I'm gonna drop that one. But prior to me doing that, I feel I need to explain to say we are going to drop a backyard record which we're gonna find a name of the album.
Yeah.
Getting at very soon.
Yeah.
It's going out. Secondly, I've received a call today from one of the founding founders. Social, we deliberated on other things to say we're gonna make a live concert. We're planning on a live concert of our album, of our best tracks. We have people like in the jazz group. Lava that track.
Hey, that's a dope idea. That's fucking dope idea.
Then they will play.
It's Antoine, it's a podcast to come back by and come live.
We don't have a problem on doing that. We agreed for it. We were talking about the venue today. However, we bite prior to kusungula, but this is so good now we are biting because we need to give it stimulated lava kurini itangwa life. On Track City, it's obvious it will take them 2 or 3 months. I don't know until they are. But the way they want it, what we want, we don't want the exact thing. However, we want the exact rhythm with the life feeling. That's what we want, so that we can know if ever you guys I can still put my lines on it. You understand? That's what we want to do. We spoke with Sosha today for a very long time about such. So understanding in terms of monetary value, we are working. It won't be difficult as it was before. You understand? It will be easier to do such because we can invest in a you understand? To say let's put this bags and let's clap it together and do that, because the 4 of us already we are working. You understand? It's a matter of us agreeing this is the amount that needs to come out, because I'm worried because I have a son which is about 10 now. He was asking me, Papa, and he has a phone, a smartphone, and kuna internet. Lero angafana ngabzele mina afana angena straight ka yini Apple Music
awuthakambe bitra somewhere
kuma biography kuma Apple Music ka download the album and listen without interfering with my piece. You understand? So it's that we want to do now to close that gap, because it's important for us to close it, because our music will be lost. Because it's few of us. You see, then we want it to be in a platform where it will be forever there. So that is one of the proactive thinking that we deliberate.
I wish we had this kind of a platform card where we document things, we put them online.
It was gonna be there. So yeah, I'm one of the humblest guys, though I'm short-tempered. I prefer Kurban Baba open. If they want to know, they can consult us. We can tell them the way it is. We don't have a problem with that. We're not selfish. Those who worked with it tell you we're not selfish. We even made albums in different genres for other people for free. You understand? So it's one of those things.
Because to note one, given Masing. What if music was cool? That album revolutionized like that genre on its own, because it's like it was one of those things, so it was too real. You understand? And because both are about Chai style, maybe you find that maybe she's Zulu there. But and then look, Makepeni, not that backyard influence. Namagoda was this,
that album.
And the sound it Afro loops there. And the total at the Chai is straight again. So it had like a different feeling, but it only hit people after 2-3 years. Yes.
No, you
like on his peak.
No, what transpired is that marketing after 6 months or a year, you back too familiar. You back too
because that one what I look after 2-3 years, because I'm messing up too. and then look aka push up to number 1 Shavsa West. You remember?
Maybe, yeah.
Yeah, so which means it was maybe by then Palushaba Sula Witanga like around.
I never told anyone Sungul. For example, looking at the album, yeah, Black Diamond. That album, yeah, 2017.
Yeah, Black Diamond, Lenga was sock.
Lenga nabo stando.
The PS, love letter.
Yeah, kuna bo stando.
Blind album.
So that album is the album that I listened to. One time. Antonga was new. Mara nhlama why ninga twithi simtheti tinga leti channel on Stofa Slanga.
Because it's an old album.
Yeah.
Was talking about you know what was the game? Both Daman and Mawela are ambitious. And they're pushing something of their own man. So what demand build that cloud? What build that cloud? What demand I think could launch something. If you should blog a number there, one and big zone there. Inga have corner online. What demand release promote album. That's how we discovered it. Because I think you look pop up yeah. Like the sabotage somehow.
So that album is crazy.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
So what I wanted to say to all of ourselves and the listeners is that leshinga sungurwa maboko ne shitiswa maboko. There is no way that a robot can make your car even when ulungisa tiphathi tin'wana vokona uri nge ngheni laya ku nghena swa robot. So I'm saying what is done by hands should always be supported, and you must know kuba trial and error when something is being done maboko. And a person la xi endlaka na yena u fane a kovana yini na mbilu ya ku accept constructive criticism. And by that you are growing on this one. So we've tried, we never gave up on music. We're still on music. As old as we are, we feel music should be the future. And it is.
So as tribe right now, what shall we start the beat now or like Anja?
It's just
because you have to understand production wise Ras tribe is like Dr. Dre. You understand? When it comes to beats and everything, like his beats are like they're like raw and original. At go for those new things. Let's all come up with the 80 corner. Like it's not
Dr. Dre is Pegaksu.
Andreas Bolen baby.
Not Andreas Bolen.
Oh, xiKhohlola.
Mozart. It's Mozart. Because I think he was one of the first Tsonga rap producers. Like strictly for Tsonga rap. You understand? Like because the other guys, the other guys that came before. I got the MC like song. Watch this is but this guy took it a step further. Watch this is I believe with most computers they got their first music softwares from this guy. Tala Limpopo.
It's true.
No,
the issue of it too. One should be humble. One must not always seek credit. Credit will be given when it's due. Going back to that thing that you talked about, Shaps at the beat. I don't remember eating one round of Shaps at the beat. Yet I gave so many people beats. You get what I mean? Because I didn't formulate or started this. X-Men by Edel Alba.
Before Shah was.
No, Edel Alba was supposed to pay our. You can ask him. Would long at X-Men Chris Mr. Qatar, but Mr. Qatar.
Chris in the Qatar was.
lexi ni nga vulaka xona i ku ri album yes you were supposed to pay but for beat for hip hop heads more especially locally no hela ni twa va sweswi loko va xavisa
yeah, but it was not really for business.
It was not
loko ku introduce-wa timhaka ta mali, it was kahle to push our projects.
And to make the studio clean. Shaba so clean
I think Backyard Recordz is the longest running non-profit organization yeah, kahle nga compare maybe na care group. Yeah, could be the second one which has been running the longest.
So like is his studio, is it like still running? Like studio, someone right now can come to BFR.
Okay, I'll put it in this way. Our wish was for the studio to run forever. Our wish was for our sons to be studio this year. That was our dream, collectively so. However, if we kill, like I said, we not down for their Backyard Record,
the
responsibilities. However, we still had that ideology. If our kids are still young, those who are there, let them use the studio. So, we have a few names in charge of the studio. So somehow kubina amongst them kubina nakamba. Understand? Let decide that we figure pula computer, take out the hard drives, take out the memory, repala computer. Take a sound card. Understand? I got external sound card. Take a microphone on this. I was on a microphone in here. Take a microphone. So mina lonia line kuma sungarikona because antwisisa ku kuna van'wana lava va lomba
by that time a ku ri na mina na dog kid I were the one
lomba yini ntwisa ku so lombiwa se ka vona lava a yi swi na yini ku ri
yena hi twaka ku loyi I swi teki a swi veka for safekeeping
because it was not that it was stolen
se kuma ku swi heta nkarhi hi nga swi tivi ku swilo swi yiviwile tracy nyamala.
So what I did, I took the keyboard the monitor speaker. Fortunately, I use the monitor speaker because those were very expensive. It took me cheaper.
Because sling style. Top.
But not just what those monitor speakers about 14,000. We're using them back then. I'm trying to show you the type of level that we were at in terms of equipment. The monitor speakers are gone, keyboard are gone, that computer that are gone. So my goal now, because in a space somewhere else, I can make just a studio, which will no longer be for each and every person. It will be for us. When like really,
I know you're in.
Look, music. You can still make music. You see. So basically, that is that. In essence, studio is not working. They stole it.
It's understandable. All right. I think it's safe now.
So I wanna.
Sorry, you don't need it.
The verse. Let's not forget the verse. Let's not forget the verse. Let's not forget the verse.
Just that. I'll do it this way.
Okay.
Okay. 1 2 1 2.
Sure.
This one is for my mother.
Sure.
So rest in peace. They say a woman, it's a family's backbone. They say it's true. Her love never lose a tone. Loko stakavana, she rather starve at Sotala. To be loved unconditionally, mfana swakala. She might punish you when you're wrong. She'll never kill you. Please, don't ever blame her. She had to treat you. Look at me, full grown because of her. awa apfuka lahla site akhoma hundla vele ra manana homeboy a ri na xilondza she might be sick, she's your mom ambalo onza. I'm privileged to have that special woman. Mama, I'ma fight for you, I'll die for you, my love is true, this one's for you. Happy Mother's Day, 365 days. That's for my mother.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Rest in peace, Mama.
Yeah, I think Madala.
Yes, I'm sure she's watching us somewhere right now.
The most proud, insightful.
Yeah.
The most insightful episode we've had. Yeah. I'm impressed. So I think it will be good to follow up now and political, but what I want to do, long table a panel.
Okay.
But this is a way whereby the other people maybe six political political views that when I will table it, we look at the community. We also have an audience, maybe some community and the bamboo chat question.
Not that. Not that.
Kanjala, I think you want about that.
I thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Myself, I'm in
For
politics.
that verse is very special to me because I know that verse is very special to me because today it's my mother's birthday. So like Lord Nalokore bus on around Korea, people like those even regardless of their situation they are in. So happy Mother's Day. If we want a Mother's Day, now gonna put every day it's Mother's Day. I think you have your mother every day. So your parent, you know, mutswari phela a hi and the mutswari a hi wa wun'we. So na loko hi ku mother a hi vuli loyi a nga ku tswala ntsena. You know, ya lava va nga kona happy Mother's Day to her. Wa swi tiva ku ni vulavula hi wihi. So I'm sure ku ri na lava dedicate ka vona Ras Tribe, she's watching us right now and she's proud because I'm sure right now daman ilaka level yin'wana laha va nga siya kona se igonyile because you can even hear it na loko kha vulavula ku ri somebody who has grown so much, and then I'm honored right now to sit next to you. And I'm saying this, you know, I'm really honored to sit next to you because people do talk about it. Anda kankaro kuma kornanti so kona sini wa ambani wantiza so kuvan kota kuma chance kuvan sama hands kuriyo this and this I got to address like this. I'm really honored. Thank you. You have done so much on the game. I'm saying this on behalf of every rapper out here. You know,
Tsonga rap.
You know, I mean, like Namina, I remember when it comes to music, it was possible for as a Tsonga rapper to do it like this. Anishkoma from you guys. I'm also putting you in the conversation right now. From you guys, like actually like more like Shileshi Ngonga say show not to rap. You know, not like you can do it and do it on your own language and be confident. You understand what I'm trying to say? Because the Nalo Kanvala Vula Kurnate Magatata 30 performances I started to see from you because I was fortunate enough to learn TV by then. So like my first live performance, hip hop, Tsonga, it was from you guys.
Thank you.
You know, so nisupula so korna other people labam kuma korna mina na wa inspire. Was I got the inspiration from you. You know, so
each one teach one, as you always like to say.
Very she could only. So like she slice. So right now I'm giving credit, as you said, credit in Equal say funny real. I'm giving credit like a fanela call. And today it was my chance to do that. So thank you. Minani Palakwan.
Let's just sign out episode 10. Nothing one and season season 2 because to Sakuri if I get one topics so far the politics social influencing nasoka. But anyway, signing out Mindzhutini. Sure.
Peace out.
Kanja.